Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF US dollar Swiss franc for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USDCHF in front of us right now. You can see that I have wrote few numbers here, 1, 2, 3. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USDCHF, and then we will be jumping to the strategy part. Okay. Do not want to bore you to death, so I will be keeping the video short. Let's get started. So if you look at the overall trend of the chart here, then we can see that the market is in uptrend right now. The market is in uptrend, and as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Trend is our friend, or in simple words, the first rule of the market is if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as we can clearly see that this is an uptrend market, therefore we will mainly be looking for buying opportunities. Clear? So the second important point is area of value. If you have watched my other videos, then you have heard me speaking about area of values in hundreds and hundreds of videos. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity in the market, the best trading spot in an uptrend market. When the market is in uptrend, the best buying opportunity or the best trading opportunity is always near the support, whereas in a downtrend market, the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance. USD CHF is an uptrend, therefore our area of value or the best buying position or buying spot will also be near the support only. And as we can clearly see that market is going up, and market has this trend line acting as a dynamic support. Whenever market is coming down, market is getting support from this trend line. So on Monday, after the market opening, if you see market taking support at the trend line and bouncing, you can easily go for a buy. Listen to me carefully. On Monday after the market opening, if you find market bouncing from this trend line, you can easily go for a buy. Just make sure you are only buying at the confirmation, and the confirmation will be in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below, or a bullish engulfing pattern like this, like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is still respecting this trend line as a valid support, you can click on the buy button. Okay, so that is your first trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market breaks this trend line, then we have got this level 0.9235. Why this level is important? Because this is the 50% retracement level. This is the 50% retracement level. If I draw the Fibonacci chart here, then you can see that we have a 50% retracement level here. So if you do not have this setup on the charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw these lines so that you can understand the market better, so that you can do proper analysis and can take proper trade. So if market breaks the trend line and comes down, do not short the market, because you will be going against the trend. Okay, so wait for the market to hit this level, 0.9235 level. This is the 50% retracement level, and there is a good possibility of market bouncing from the 50% retracement level. So if you find market bouncing from the 50% retracement level, you can again go for a buy. So this is your second trading opportunity, buying at the 50% retracement level. And if market witnesses heavy selling, then there is a good possibility of a market taking support at the weekly support of 0.9180. As we all know, the higher time frame belongs to the institutional traders, the big boys, the big players. So in case these levels fail to provide support to the market, then we can hope that the weekly support of 0.9180 will be the ultimate support for the market, and definitely market will be bouncing and we can go for buy. So these are the three trading opportunities on USDCHF chart according to my analysis. If you think that I'm wrong, my analysis is wrong, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friends, last month I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested in knowing about the program, just go to the Pro Trader section on my website avilashhajarika.com. You'll find all the information. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.